Hello there, jolly friend. Today I will draw Bluey in her custom Christmas outfit. Red hat, shiny boots, and jingling cheer that twinkles near. While waiting for my drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story that sparkles like snow. Before that, like this video, and let your Christmas spirit glow. It was the first chilly morning of December. Bluey woke up with a stretch to remember. Bingo, she called. It's time to decorate. Bingo giggled. Let's make it look great. They dashed to the living room, bright and wide. Dad brought boxes stacked side by side. Inside were ornaments, ribbons, and light. If you love Christmas too, like this video tonight, Bluey twirled in a shiny red hat. Bingo wore bells that jingled. Imagine that, Mum smiled. You two look divine, Dad added. Best helpers of mine. They hung the garlands, green and neat. The pine scent filled the house so sweet. Can you take a deep breath in too? Smell the magic of pine and glue? And while you do, like this video, won't you? Bluey paused, eyes full of glee. I have an idea, a custom outfit for me. She ran to her room with thread and lace. Bingo followed fast, joy on her face. They stitched, they tied, they added flair. Glitter sparkled everywhere. Bluey wore a cape of gold and red. Santa would love this, Bingo said. If your hands like to make and play too, like this video, it's made for you. They stepped outside, snowflakes spun. Bluey shouted, it's time for fun. They built a snow dog tall and round. Its nose was a berry they'd just found. Dad laughed. What a masterpiece. Mum brought cocoa, warmth and peace. The air was crisp. The lights all twinkled. The world felt soft, hearts unwrinkled. Let's sing, said Bingo, her voice so sweet. Bluey clapped to the carol's beat. Can you hum along too, light and slow? And while you sing, like this video before you go. Night fell calm, the fire aglow. Bluey whispered, I love Christmas so. Bingo yawned. Me too, Bluey dear. Dad smiled. Best day of the year. As stars peeked through the window bright, Bluey's cape shimmered in the light. She whispered soft, Merry dreams to you. And Bingo added, and to everyone too. So snuggle and warm, the season is near. Joy and kindness fill the year. Sleep with a smile, soft and low. And like this video before you go. Christmas tree dizzy.